Hey guys, it's Jen from Beauty Riot X. So today I thought I would do a fun kind of holiday glam get ready with me video. And I'm going to be using only affordable products. I'm not going to say drugstore because these aren't all like go to CVS and pick all this stuff up. It's stuff like that's just affordable, in my opinion. None of it's like high-end Marc Jacobs or La Mer or anything like that. So let's just start with the eyes. And for the eyeshadows, I have two palettes that I'm mainly going to be using. And the first is from BH Cosmetics, and this is one of my favorite palettes ever. This is the Ultimate Matte 42 color palette. This is actually on sale right now, which is Cyber Monday, but normally you can get it on sale at BH Cosmetics anyway. This is an incredible palette. It doesn't look incredible. It kind of looks like a basic palette. It's incredible. And right now, like, I think it's on sale for like $16. Normally it's $24. Even that's not bad. That's pretty affordable. And then the other palette I'm going to be dipping into, if I need to, is the Modern Dreamer palette from NYX. Also, this is on sale at Ulta right now for $21. Also really affordable. It's a little pricier if it's not on sale. It's like around $35. But again, if you have a 20% off coupon, you can use it at Ulta. All right, so let's just get into this. I feel like holiday glam is just kind of different for everybody. It depends on your style, it depends on your comfort level, what you think of when you think of the holidays. This is kind of what I think of and what I think will probably work for me. So why do I look like a founding father? Well, I thought if I'm gonna look glam, I better look the part. So I curled my hair, and I'm not done styling it. But when I wear my hair curled, some of you comment like, oh my God, I love your hair that way. What I actually do is curl my hair and leave it to kind of air dry, but I pin it up so it's out of my face, and that's what I'm doing here now. It won't be left like this, but you'll see the finished product when I'm done. But I curl my hair, I don't brush it out, but when I'm done, you'll see why I do this. Anyway, all right, now we're going to foundation. I'm gonna be using my CYO Long Lasting Foundation in 103. I already have it on my plate. And for primer, I went and I used my Catrice Prime and Fine Beautifying Primer. It's just kind of an everyday kind of moisturizing lotion-like primer. Actually really good if you have kind of dry skin, or it's the winter and your skin tends to get dehydrated. That's a really nice option and very affordable. I got mine at Ulta. I look like George Washington with my hair like this. I don't think I've ever prepped my curls on camera before. This is great. Oh, so we just got one of those Ring doorbell cameras because a few days ago, some little asshole teenager in broad daylight comes up to my door and picks up, luckily I was home, picks up a Target box that was just delivered to my house. Thank God, like, I was actually sitting at my desk, like right here, and I can see like my front porch, but I see him, and I think it's a delivery guy. I see him walk up, pick up my box, and walk away with it, like just nonchalantly, like it's, you may have thought he was picking up his box and it belonged to him. I walk outside, I'm like, yo dude, put it down and walk away. I mean, you would have thought I just asked him for the time. He was like, he didn't say anything, didn't look sorry, it was just nothing. You bet your fucking ass I called the fucking cops. And they did actually like catch him and arrest him, but the cop was like, oh, well, you know, he's a juvenile, so there's really not much they're gonna do to him. Oh, that's great. Well, maybe the next person he tries to steal from won't be so lucky and they won't be home to see it. But yeah, so the next day my husband goes and buys this like Ring Pro camera. So we can see who walks up to our front door, just in case we aren't home and this happens again. But man, I was fucking pissed. All right, next we're gonna do contour. I just can't seem to get away from this I just have no reason to not use this. This is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define, and I have the shade C12, and it's kind of warm, but kind of perfect. And I tried to pull out, besides obviously this product, but I tried to pull out makeup that I don't use like every single day. All right, and next, concealer. So we have the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer. I have the shade Medium Peach, which for some reason, okay, so I just don't gravitate towards e.l.f. products. I just don't. This palette, like, I tried one of these like a few months ago, like 6 months ago when they first came out, and like I just didn't like it. So it took me a while to want to try that. This concealer, even though everybody raved about it, I was like, nah, I don't want to try it. I love it, but normally but I don't feel that way about a lot of e.l.f. products, but this is another one that I really ended up really enjoying after I tried it. But the color selection is weird. Like, this is in no way, shape, or form a color that I would even come close to calling medium anything. Or medium peach. Like, this would be light neutral in my eyes. It's a little bit light for me, but I really like the way it feels and the way it ends up and actually looking under my eyes. It does kind of oxidize a little bit. But we're going to set it with the Milani Prep Set Glow Transparent Powder. I still love this. I haven't used it in forever though. And I use a really big fluffy brush because I don't love kind of packing on powder. I just kind of like a light dusting. And this gives like a really pretty but subtle kind of glow effect. All right, now let's warm the face up a little bit with the Makeup Revolution Mega Bronzer in number 1 Cool. I definitely don't find this cool. I barely find it neutral. It is kind of red, in my opinion. If I remember the last time I actually used it. It's been a while. I'm gonna go in with my EcoTools Multitasking Powder Brush. I don't remember hating it, but it was definitely like much warmer than I thought it was going to be. Not bad though. Is that translating on camera? Because I definitely see like warmth. Not like bad, like I don't see, it's not crazy. All right, let's go in with blush. And I think we're gonna do the Wet n Wild Color Icon in Pearlescent Pink. I just think this is a beautiful color. Should I do a deeper one? Maybe I should do a deeper blush, hold on. Let's do NYX Amber. This one's really pretty actually. Let's do this one. I feel like glam should be just maybe a little bit, not deeper or darker, but just a little bit more, just a little bit more. Yeah, I think that's good. I think that was a good choice. I think they actually discontinued these blushes, am I right? Or I don't know, but does anybody know, are the high definition ones like not like being made anymore? I don't know. Okay, let me go off camera, do my under eyes. I'm gonna change into something like kind of more glam, like shirt-wise. I'm wearing leggings no matter what. And then we'll come out, finish, and come up with the final look. So give me 1 second. Hair is done, my shirt is changed, my leggings are still on, so don't you worry. Now let's do highlight. And I'm gonna use one of my favorites. This is actually in my best of 2019 video. This is the Sleek Makeup Highlighting Elixir in Poppin' Bottles. Oh my god, this is like liquid metal for your face. Or I mean anywhere you want to put it really. And I think I got this at Target, like online at Target. Or maybe online at Ulta. Online at one of them. Like, you only need this much. This bottle, I mean, I highly even doubt if I've gotten down to there, and I've had this for months, and I use it all the time. So I just rub a little bit out on my hand, and like on your hand, it looks like it might be too deep, but it's not. Like, ugh, like even though it shears out, you get that, like, bam. I know some people kind of take glam to be like full coverage and everything. I don't really care about that, like I really don't. Maybe you do, and that's fine. I just don't. I hate the way my face looks when it's like completely caked and like you can't see my skin through it. I just feel gross. Anyway, just so you know, I did my brows with the Believe Beauty Brow Gel, and I always do light brown in the very front and then dark brown from kind of mid to ends. You get these at Family Dollar General. They're like $5 each. And then for a liner, I did ColourPop in DTLA, which is like a nice navy blue. And then towards the inner corner, I do Scandalized Nude from Rimmel. It kind of takes the pink out of your eye and just makes your eyes look brighter. And for lips, I'm not really sure. I have the Glitter Magic from LA Girl. Is that what it is? It's where you press your lips and like it glitifies it. Or I have just a nude from ColourPop, which is one that I use a lot, but I don't know, I feel like doing a color with this, like I don't know what color I would actually use that wouldn't look too obnoxious. Like I don't want to look obnoxious, I want to look glam. And I feel like a nude would kind of just make this eye look kind of perfect because I love this eye look. I just think it looks perfect. I think it looks holiday glam perfect. With like the green shirt and everything and the pink hair, like I think this looks good. I think a nude lip would just be perfect. And I forget what kind of glitter is in this. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this on first, and if I don't love it, I'll just put this on top and cancel out the glitter, and then we're fine. Let's just do that. And this is in the shade Glitterati. I don't know if they still make these. I feel like they were on clearance last time I was buying some. I don't know if they're still stocked, but I got it at Ulta. This is one of those things that you like let sit for a minute, let it dry, and then you press your lips together and it glitifies it. This always drives me nuts because like you can't rub your lips together until it dries. And I always want to rub my lips together. This is a really pretty color though. Like I would happily leave it like this, but something is telling me I'm gonna hate the glitter color. A really pretty shade that I would love would be for it to be like a nice, subtle, like gold glitter. I don't think that's what's gonna happen though. Something is telling me it's gonna be like pink glitter. Uh-oh, I'm seeing some purple. Shit. The eyes came out nice though. I'm always scared to smoke out like dark green or dark blue, not only because of the fallout, but because I feel like it makes it look like it brings out the dark circles under your eyes, and it makes me look personally like I just got punched in the face. Well, I don't want to look like I got punched in the face on the way to a party. That's not cute. All right, I think we're good. Oh. Oh, LA Girl. No. Why would you pick like a blue purple with nude? Like this is something listen, if you want my professional opinion, LA Girl, and is this right? LA Girl, is this who this is from? Yes, LA Girl. If you want to put purple or blue glitter in with some kind of lip color, don't make it nude. Make it like pink or purple or something that it's gonna complement, not nude. All right, we're gonna cover this with Sunnyside because it just doesn't work for me. You can still see a little peeking through, but you guys probably can't. And I think that's it. I did some Ardell lashes, drugstore affordable. These are the Demi Pixies Black. They're like the ones that have like spaces in between. I like those. I think they'd be fun for a party. And that was it. Here's the finished look. What do you guys think? I love my hair like this. I feel like it's so like old Hollywood or something. This is kind of how I wore my hair on my wedding day, which is kind of the reason I love it, except like this side of my head was shaved. And my friend, who is an amazing hairstylist, shaved flowers into the side of my head. It's really classy and fucking chic. So that was it. What did you guys think? What product did you like the best? Let me know in the comments below, and let me know if you want to see like a high-end version of this, like a different look, but like with high-end products. Let me know in the comments below. Make sure you are safe this holiday season, and make sure you leave me any comments or questions in the section below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.